Welcome back to my channel Learning Tech. And that's what I'm gonna explain what is this variable, and I'm gonna give a complete information about this variable. So why we use this variable in Python? So actually variables are, we can assume these are like containers, okay? So where we can store the data, okay? So variables are containers that holds the values, okay, data values. For suppose how we will create a variables in Python means, see, we can take anything. See, I'm just taking this A. So this is here acting as a variable. This A is acting as variable over here. So you can assign any value you want. So you can give integer value, you can give floating value, you can give string value, whatever the value that you want to assign, you can assign to this variable. So if I have sent this integer value, and this will be stored in this A, okay, we can assume this as a container, okay, so where this value will be stored, okay. So this is a variable. We can assign, see, for example, I have taken this b variable. So you can give float value as well, like, okay, this is a way how you can assign float value. And if you wanna assign any string value, so you must require to use this double quotation, and you can give any name in this, okay. So, and we have this boolean values as well, okay. So later on I'm gonna discuss data types in Python, okay. So there you'll come to know what are all this stuff. So how many data types present in Python, you'll come to know a way of using all this variable, okay. So this is the integer, this is the integer type, this is the floating, this is a variable that holds the floating value, okay. This is also a variable, so you can keep it anything, okay, anything in this variable. So even we have some rules as well, okay, to declare the variable. So how we can declare the variable, okay. So this is also a variable that holds the string value, okay. So this is also a variable that holds the boolean value, either true or false, okay. But in boolean, make sure that the T capital letter should be capital letter, okay. T should be in capital letter, okay. These are the variables. See, did you ever mention here the type, data type? No, right? So in C, you should mention like this, right? So did you ever mention data type over here? No, right? So in the previous bit also I have explained. So we need not required to mention the data type, okay. This is the specialty of the Python. We call this as, okay, told this already. So this is a dynamically typed programming language. We need not required to specify the type of the value, okay, which value we have assigned to a variable. So we are not responsible for it, okay. Based on the provided value, whatever the value that you have provided to a variable, so type will be considered automatically. If you want to see the type of a variable, then we have a method built-in function called type, okay. So if you write this thing, so and it will be printed onto the console, the type of this, okay. So which type of value it holds, the b holds, so uh, that can be seen by using this. This is the brief idea about this variables, okay. So you can define anything, but we have some rules, okay. Some rules of defining a variable or using a variable, okay. So how will define a variable? So I have defined here, right? So if I want to mention any name, I can also mention like something, for my name Riaz is equal to 10. So this is also a variable, this is also a variable, okay, that holds the integer type. See, but how can, so how many ways, so what are the steps that I need to follow to define a variable name, okay. So that is also there. See here, there are mainly 5 rules are there. The first one is name should start either with letters or underscore, okay. See, this is the first rule of defining a variable, okay. So the name, so okay, I have used your name, right? So the my variable name is this one. So how to define it means, so this variable name should start, I'm telling, should start either with letter or underscore, okay. These two are valid. So my variable here started with name, that's fine, okay. Now this is the case, okay. uh, I'll take you to the implementation later on, okay, don't you worry. And second thing, allowed digits, okay, allowed allowed characters, I can say. allowed characters are. So what are the characters? Okay, what are the characters that you can use inside while creating this variable means? So small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, uh, 0 to 9, and special characters only underscore is valid. Okay, so this stuff all are valid. So while creating your variable name, so you can use anything, so ranges between this, so a to z, small a to z, small capital A to z, 0 to 9 underscore. Okay, so these are all the valid characters that you can use while creating your variable. Okay, and the third is keywords are not, sorry, not used as variable names. Okay, variable names. See, keywords means, so in Python we have 30, nearly 33 keywords. Okay, that keywords means what? So which has a special meaning in Python. Okay, so that does something. Okay, so we have 33, nearly 33 keywords. So in upcoming videos I will also discuss about these keywords as well. We nearly have 33 keywords, right? So we should not use any one of that keyword as a variable. Okay, see, for example, if we have a if, okay, if as a keyword. Okay, we cannot use this if as a variable. See, if is equal to 10, so if I assign 10, if I assign 10 to 10 value to if I assign the value to this variable, if, so it is going to throw me error. Okay, so this is a keyword. Okay, so we cannot use this keyword as a variable. Okay, that's the thing. And and the fourth rule is, uh, variables are case sensitive. Okay, so case sensitive means, see, so I have used an for example, a is equal to 10. So I have assigned 10 value to a variable called a, right? So if I use capital A, if I assign 10 value to a capital A, so this is also valid, this is also valid, but both are different because this is a small a but this is a capital A. Okay, so both are different. So case sensitive means small letters and capital letters are different, so both are not same. Okay, so fourth one. And the fifth rule is, uh, variables variables should not should not start with digits. Okay, see, so variables should not, sorry, variables should not start with digits. That means, see, I have just given some digit and after that I have written something. Okay, so this thing is not valid. Okay, this thing is invalid. Okay, see, this is a variable, that's fine, but I have started this with number, right? So digit, so this thing is not valid. Okay, so these are all the five rules that, while creating a variable, so you must follow these five rules. Okay, and first variable, right? See, a is equal to 10. I'm assigning a is equal to 10. I'm just running it. So I have not printed it, right? See, see, as you can see over here, see, as you can see over here, 10 has been printed. So this is the variable, a normal variable. Okay, I'll keep this thing. Okay, so that things will get clear. See, this is the way how variables been created, and if you wanna print something, then you need to use this thing. Okay, see, I'm just defining each and everything. Okay, just I want to show you. So the type of the value. Okay, I've told previously, based on the provided value, uh, a type will be considered automatically offset, right? So let us see whether it's working or not. Okay, now b is equal to, I'm assigning some floating value, and c is equal to, I'm assigning some string. Okay, and d is equal to, I've just assigned boolean value. I'm just printing uh, b b okay, b then c. Okay, I've just printed this stuff. As you can see, it has been printed successfully, and I just wanted to know the type of this value. Okay, type of this variable that it holds. Okay, now for that I have a method called type. Okay, so if I use this thing, the type will be printed over here. See, as you can see, so type of C means that the C holds the string type. C is a type of string. Okay, so if I write over here type, hope you're getting me. Okay, type. See, as you can see, it is a type of float. See, I have not mentioned anywhere the type, right? So it is of type integer, it is of float type. I didn't mention anywhere, right? So based on the provided value, so type will be considered automatically. You're not required to specify the type. So that is what in Python says. It's a dynamically typed programming language. Okay. Now let us go for rules. Okay, rules of rules of Python. Okay, see, the first rule that says over here is uh, so variable should start either with letter or underscore, right? See, I've just given my name 10. Okay, see, I have started with my name, right? No, now see, let me go ahead and clear the screen. So print, if I if I print this thing, if I print, this is a variable. Okay, and if I use, so it has been printed successfully, right? See, I have started this variable with letter. Okay, even if I start this thing with underscore, that is also fine, it is also printed successfully. See, this is also printed successfully. Okay, now if I use any digit over here, see, if I print this thing, so here only you can understand one error we got, right? So if I print means you are gonna get error. See, 9 syntax error. Okay, so we cannot use this variable, so we cannot assign value. Okay, value to a variable, we cannot start variable with a digit. Okay, uh, this is the second rule. And in the third rule, see, you cannot use keywords. Okay, we have nearly 33 keywords. Okay, like if, else, and lots of stuff. So if I use if as a variable, and if I try to assign value to it, if I print if, see what will happen. Again I'm gonna get error, invalid syntax. Okay, you cannot use, see here, over here, you cannot use keywords as variables. Okay, so this stuff is not possible in this Python. Okay, see, and the fourth step I have mentioned, it is a case sensitive. Okay, see, if I, so see, if my name only I have taken, so so this both are different. Okay, so if I have assigned here 15, I'm printing both. Okay, see, it's gonna print successfully that 10 and 15. Okay, so this small letter Riaz holds 10 value, and this variable holds 15. Okay, so both are different. So that is the meaning of this case sensitive. Okay, and the fifth thing is variable should not start with digits. So I've already told that thing previously. Okay, so variable should not start with a digit. Okay, this about indentation. Okay, in indent indentation. Okay, so indentation means, see, so for example, if I'm using if condition, so I've given one condition, like age should be greater than 20. See, this is the condition that I've given. Sorry, age should be greater than 18, right? And I have assigned, I'm taking this from out from the screen. Okay, so over here I will take this value. See, if I'm using this if condition, if you, so for each and every condition, that should be ended with this semicolon. So after this get this get ended, so if you hit enter, so automatically it will take tab four spaces. See, so it has been taken four spaces, right? So we can consider it as a one tap space. So this is called, so if I print indentation, okay, indentation means it will come automatically by adding this colon, it will come automatically. So this is called indentation. What is the major use of this means, so to make the code more efficient manner, okay. Okay, see again I've used this else. See, I've just mentioned colon over here, right? So if I hit enter, so automatically it will take. So this is what the indentation, okay. So here I'm just mentioning not eligible for vote, okay. Okay, that is the thing, okay. See, if I've given here 30, see, as you can see, person is eligible for vote, okay. So this is what about the indentation and variables as well. So if you like my video, like it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.